Hello everyone, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making pizza rolls. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe you will need pepperonis, mozzarella cheese, wonton wrappers, crushed tomatoes, yellow onion, fresh parsley, sugar, minced garlic, salted butter, grated Parmesan cheese, season all, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, red pepper flakes, Italian seasoning, basil leaves, and parsley flakes. Begin by dicing 2/3 of a yellow onion. Chop up fresh parsley. In a skillet, add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add diced onions. Add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Next, add 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and mix well. Season to taste with season all, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, basil leaves, parsley, and red pepper flakes. Cover with lid and allow to simmer for 10 minutes on a low heat. Add 1 cup of chicken broth and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix well. Cover with lid and allow to simmer for 10 minutes. Remove from heat and mix well. Now it's time to form your pizza rolls. Begin by placing a teaspoon of marinara sauce, mozzarella cheese, a pepperoni, more mozzarella cheese, and another pepperoni onto a wonton wrapper. Fold wonton like an envelope, sealing each side with water. Repeat. Next, fry pizza rolls for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. Flip pizza rolls to ensure that each side cooks. Once the pizza rolls are golden, remove them from the cooking oil. In a bowl, melt a half stick of butter. Add about 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, and fresh parsley. Mix well. Pour garlic butter onto pizza rolls and give the pizza rolls a good toss. And there you have it, pizza rolls. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. And remember to tell everyone you know, them and Muffins be cooking.